What is up? Gonna make a chai latte. So first of all, gonna need some chai. Checking my inventory, I got plenty of chai. I will be making the iced chai over again eventually, but I still need to dial in that recipe before I can just make a video on it. But got our chai, really good chai, amazing chai, and also got raw sugar. This is how I'm gonna, sweeten it up. And I could go the syrup route too. I got the, I got the French vanilla Tirani I could use as well, but I prefer the raw sugar. Raw sugar is just easier to get a more consistent sweetness with. The Tirani, it could kind of skew the flavor profile a bit, so I try to avoid, any weird taste, any aftertaste. So let's see, I'm gonna need you, or do I really need you? I don't need you. I need the tablespoon. Tablespoon, oh yeah, we'll need a strainer too. Tablespoon, strainer. I got some hot water brewing up, and I also need my large frothing pitcher as well. Here, paper towel right here. What kind of cup I want to use? I use my black mug. I normally use for just average lattes, and I think that's everything I need. So for hot chai lattes, I use 2 tablespoons. 1, 2, sometimes I'll throw a half a tablespoon in there as well. It's really hard to overdo the chai, is all I gotta say. It's really hard to overdo the chai. And then I'll add, do I want to add sugar now, or I'll add it later. Get the hot water. I'm not trying to fill it up to the brim. We're really just trying to wet all of the chai, plus some. Yeah, I think that's good. Maybe a tad bit more. Now I'm gonna leave that to brew for 4 minutes. And there's your timer. All right, so timer just went off, and I'm going to immediately turn on the steam on. And grab some whole milk. And I'm gonna pour it not quite to the beginning of the spouts. No, right there. And now we're just gonna froth this whole mixture. Oh yeah, sugar. Let's add the sugar now. So I messed up a little bit by not adding the sugar until after I put the milk in. I usually like to put the sugar in before I add the milk. I just wasn't thinking. So, because sometimes I'll put the sugar in with the leaves themselves and then steep it all together. So just add the sugar before you add the milk, but it should still taste good. It should still taste fine. Color's looking really good. This chai produces a really nice like amber color. I'm not adding as much air as I wanted to add, so I'm trying to, that's why you're hearing that noise. trying to add more air to make more of a froth cappuccino kind of texture. But it's hard when you add this much milk. I should have added not as much milk. Still got a good layer of foam there, though. Cool, cool, cool. So now we got our chai latte mix right there. And yeah, just pour it straight through the strainer and we're good to go. Just like so. All right, sweet. So what I like to do as well, take a bit of cinnamon sugar. Just do a bit of cinnamon sugar on top. So yeah, nothing like how you see in most cafes, unless it's a really good cafe, I guess. But yeah, this is how I make a chai latte. In its most pure form as I can get it. I can go as far as making my own chai, but that's probably another video. But anyway, let me give y'all's close up. Yeah, y'all. Thanks for watching as always. I just want to do a follow-up with the taste test. Y'all, this thing tastes amazing. It's probably the best chai latte I've ever made. The sweetness is perfect and balanced. It's not skewing the taste of the chai at all. The chai is it's punchy, but like I said, that raw sugar just kind of amplifies that taste, you know, just makes it really enjoyable. And yeah, the chai alone is amazing too. If I find the Amazon link I used for the chai, I'll paste it in the description. But yeah, this thing is absolutely incredible. My favorite chai latte so far. And I wish y'all could appreciate the color. The HDR on here is being weird. But anyway, thanks for watching as always, and more soon.